Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Nothing says comfort more than a delicious slow-cooked tender pot roast with a rich beefy flavor and tender vegetables. I can't wait to share this hearty, flavorful pot roast with you. This recipe couldn't be easier. It's a perfect complete meal that only takes a few minutes to put together, and I promise you, everyone asks for seconds and then thirds. Get ready because you're about to make your favorite people very happy with this simple and delicious pot roast. Here's a quick look at the simple ingredients we'll need, and you'll find the entire recipe in the description box below. The vegetables I'm using today are a classic mix of onions, carrots, and celery, and I'm cutting them into medium-sized chunks. Preheat your oven to 275 degrees. Peel 3 to 4 large carrots and cut them into 3-inch pieces, and half the larger part of the tops of the carrots. If you're new to our channel, we'll show you how to make delicious food you'll be proud to share with your friends and family. And if you're like me, you've seen how sharing homemade food can spread joy, touch lives, and make the day a little better. And this easy, slow roasted pot roast is going to make it super easy to do just that. Peel and quarter 1 medium-sized yellow onion, and then set aside the vegetables. The best roasts for making pot roast are chuck roast, biscuit, and round. Slow cooking these cuts breaks down the collagen, which really tenderizes the meat. First, trim up the roast, removing any thick, dense areas of fat. This stuff won't render down, and it leaves fatty gristle that no one will eat. Next, season your roast with a good amount of salt and pepper. Add about a tablespoon of avocado or olive oil to a large oven-safe pot. I'm using a Dutch oven. Heat over medium heat, and when the oil is hot, add the roast and sear until all the sides are browned, about 4 or 5 minutes per side. Then transfer the roast to a plate. Next, add the chopped vegetables and stir. We're going to cook this for a couple of minutes, and then add a half teaspoon of dried thyme and a 1/4 teaspoon of dried rosemary. Then layer the roast on top of the vegetables. Cover and cook this in your preheated oven until the roast is tender, about 2.5 to 3 hours. As the roast cooks, it'll release its juices and your dish will have an incredible beefy flavor. The meat will be so tender and falling apart, and the vegetables will be soft but not mushy. If you love to entertain, check out our playlist of easy dinner recipes, all simple to make and they taste incredible. And thank you for watching our channel. When you watch, comment, and share our videos, it helps other people find us, and your support means so much to us. If you like this recipe, please give us a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Remember to subscribe before you leave so you know when we've posted a new recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.